Have you ever had a difficulty arranging your thoughts or organizing certain things that you have had in mind due to lack of words or vocabularies? What did you do to solve this difficulty? Through this episode, you will be guided on how to take note sequence signals or connectors to determine patterns of idea development. Well, what are sequence signals or connectors? Sequence signals or connectors are group of letters or words that are used to connect ideas or link sentences. To fully understand what I stated, let us talk about them and their functions. We use sequence connectors to talk about the purpose. Let us listen to conversations that use words or connectors highlighting the first function. Hey Emma, why do you use a face mask? I am using this in order to prevent the virus. Mom, I need a laptop. Why do you need it? I need a laptop so that I can communicate with my teachers and classmates easily. Sequence connectors like in order to and so that are used to highlight the purpose of the action. We also use connectors to give a reason, fact, or situation which explains why it happens or what causes it to happen. Look at these given sentences. I bought this phone because she needs it for her online class. Since my mom ate all the fruits, I decided to buy her again. We use because to introduce a reason clause, while on our second sentence, we use since with a reason clause at the beginning of a sentence. Sequence connectors are used to contrast information or show the differences between ideas. Observe carefully these sentences. I want to go to the park, but I am tired. I like seafood, however, I am allergic to them. The connectors but and however are used to introduce a phrase or a clause contrasting with what has been already mentioned. Here are the other connectors with the same function, even though, despite, or in spite of. We also use connectors to add information and to give examples. Examples of these are, I love wearing jewelries. In addition, I make and sell them. My mom loves to cook various dishes like buttered garlic shrimp, stew, and creamy corn pork. The sequence connectors in addition and like are used to highlight the stated function, which is to add information or to give examples. Here are some other sequence signals or connectors that belong to the same function. Also, to, besides, for instance, such as, and in particular. I know that you are excited with our activities, so let's kick it off with the last function to emphasize result and to give conclusion. Let's cite examples for some of these. John worked hard, therefore, he got promoted. He did not review his lessons. As a result, he failed the exam. Sequence signals, therefore, and as a result are some of the words that indicate effect due to a cause. Here are other words with the same function. Consequently, thus, to sum up, and in conclusion.